Hey, namaste guys, I'm Master Praveen here. I hope you are doing great and doing well, and you are doing your yoga every day. So I hope that you like the last 21 days yoga for weight loss series. So another good news that I am coming back again from the 1st of September with the next series. That series will be for the yoga for beginner, like who is doing yoga for the first time or even who is doing yoga quite for a long time, so even they can join this series. So this series I divided for a whole month for 30 days series, so you can find the video from day 1 to until day 30, sorry. So all the videos might be some videos is maybe 15 minutes, some video maybe 30 minutes. So if you have enough time, so you can follow the same video. So I hope you will enjoy that all series, same like the 21 days yoga for weight loss, now the 30 days yoga series for the yoga for beginner. And another update, I am coming soon in India, and I am planning to start the 150-hour yoga teacher training course in Haryana, in Hisar. So for that I will give you another video. I will give you all the details about the place, when we will be started, about all whatever the necessary details, whatever we are going to be teaching in that course. So please keep in touch, and any query, any feedback, so you can write down in the feedback or in the comment box. Thank you very much.